Do you wish you could be the present mom you've always wanted to be, but still need to provide an income for your family? Are you tired of scouring the internet for legit jobs that will replace your income and that you can do from home in your PJs? Hey friend, welcome to the Virtual Assistant Mama podcast. I know you're over there Googling jobs for moms, legit work at home jobs, or start a side hustle, yet you can't figure out how to take that first step. So instead, you stay stuck, do nothing, or start random side hustles to try to make quick money. Becoming a virtual assistant is the answered prayer you've been waiting for. My name is Ariana, and I'm a former teacher turned work-at-home mom who replaced my teaching income as a virtual assistant in just 6 months. I did this by taking a step of faith and following the dream that God placed on my heart to be home with my babies. Mama, your dreams pale in comparison to God's dreams for you. Imagine offering services that light you up, working with clients who value you and pay you what you're worth, and having a job that works around your life and not the other way around. This is the podcast for you. It's time to take that first step. Are you ready? Here we go. Are you trying to figure out how to stand out when you're applying for virtual assistant jobs? You see all these comments on a post and you're like, why should I even apply? There's already like 100 comments. But I really encourage you, if you see a position that you're interested in, to still apply, because you never know, the person who posted that job posting may only look at the most recent comments, or somebody else who needs help in that area might just go look at the most recent comments and reach out to you. So always apply. But in this episode, I'm going to teach you 3 quick tips to help you stand out from all of the other people applying for virtual assistant jobs. So number 1 is to portray yourself as the expert. I see a lot of people that stay in almost like that employee mindset when they're applying for virtual assistant jobs. Like, they're very like, you tell me what tasks to do, I'll do them just so I can get paid. But people who are very successful in the virtual assistant world portray themselves as the expert. They're not really an employee of whoever's hiring them. They are getting paid to come in and do this service for their clients that's going to help their clients grow their business, reach more people, and just be more effective in their businesses. See the difference there? Like, one is very task-oriented, like, I'm just going to do this work to get paid. And the second one, portraying yourself as the expert, is still getting paid, obviously, probably getting paid better, because you are actually coming from the position of, I know what I'm doing. I know this can help you grow your business. This is how we're going to do it. You are the leader in that situation. Like, yes, they're hiring you to do something in their business, but you're telling them like how the best way for it to be done. Okay, so portraying yourself as the expert is really crucial if you want to scale your virtual assistant business to the next level and stand out when you're applying for those jobs. Now, the second way to stand out when applying for those virtual assistant positions is to speak directly to that person. I know a lot of people will just say like, hey, I'm interested on a job posting, or they'll have like a template that they just literally copy and paste and don't tweak at all for that person. Now, I'm all about, having templates and automating things where you can, but you should still customize those like templates that you copy and pasted to be specific to whatever position, whatever person you're applying to. So as much as you can, if you see a position that you're interested in, you can go click on their profile, see if they have their website listed, their social media, their Instagram, whatever. See what you can learn about their business. And then when you apply, even if you copy and paste like a template, you can tweak it to have their name, to tag them. You can also just like say some specific things that you learned from their social media or their website. And that really shows that you took that extra step to learn a little bit more about what they do. And that shows them that you already care more about their business than most of those other people applying for the job. Okay, so speaking directly to them and not just doing like a copy and paste thing or, hey, I'm interested, like everybody does, that's going to help you stand out among the crowd. The third tip to help you stand out when you're applying for these virtual assistant jobs is to showcase your work in a photo. So if you do things like social media
management or Pinterest management, website design, you can just have like a photo that you make on Canva that maybe has like a couple collage images of things you've created in your business. So for me, I'm a website designer. I might showcase like a website that I've done for a client, and that helps you stand out instead of just like a text application like in your comment. It'll have that photo there too, and so that when somebody's like scrolling looking for like who they want to talk to about hiring, that photo is going to help them stop their scroll and actually read what you said. Okay, so if you can, I know with like copywriting it could be hard to do, but you can find a way to do it. But if you can, showcase your work in a photo when you are applying for these positions. Now, if you want help showing up as the expert, speaking directly to your ideal clients, and just really showcasing your services in the best way possible, this is your last call to come and join us in the Scaling Virtual Assistant Mastermind. This is where I have my hands in your business. I'm working with you side by side to make sure this business is exactly what you want it to be and to scale it to the levels that you're wanting. So you can check out everything that's included at arianavernier.com/mastermind. And you can also find that link in the show notes. But we are getting started soon. So again, this is your last and final call to join us in this round. I only host this once a year. So now's the time, you guys. All right, y'all. Thank you so much for listening to this episode, and we will see you next time.
Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. I would love to bless you with a free gift as a thank you. All you have to do is leave a review of the show on Apple Podcasts, take a screenshot, and send it to podcast@virtualassistantmama.com. I'll send you a code so you can snag my virtual assistant toolkit for free. And don't forget to come hang out with us in our free community, facebook.com/groups/virtual assistant mama. I'm so honored to support you in your journey to becoming a virtual assistant. Until next week, y'all, keep following the dreams that were placed on your heart so you can be the present mama you've always wanted to be.